Hey my dear friends, Sam Haymart with TestDrivenTV. Recently I test drove the 2021 Cadillac CT4 with the 2.7 liter 4-cylinder turbo. So here we have an Underhood Tour with all the technical features as well as the maintenance service points. The 2021 Cadillac CT4 with the optional 2.7 liter engine uses the exact same L3B engine originally designed and engineered for the Chevrolet Silverado pickups. The turbocharged 4-cylinder engine produces 310 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. In the CT4, it's rated at 21 mpg city, 31 mpg highway, and 25 mpg combined. The engine, which is built in Spring Hill, Tennessee, because of its displacement and truck duty intentions, is very large and robust in its physical stature, with aluminum block and head. But make no mistake, though it was designed for a truck, it has the latest technology and high feature content. Following the airflow, the intake charge starts up front on the passenger side at a large air filter box. It then flows straight into a dual-volute Borg-Warner turbocharger that provides up to 22 psi boost with the help of a computer-controlled electronic wastegate. Air then travels down to a lower front air-to-air intercooler behind the front fascia and then back up to the driver's side of the engine to a composite plastic intake manifold. The engine breathes through a 16-valve head with dual cams and full variable cam timing and variable valve lift. Featuring direct injection, the engine also has active fuel management, which can disable its two center cylinders to save fuel when coasting and running at a constant speed. To keep all of this rotating and operating in a refined manner, there are also two balance shafts. Looking around the engine bay with an eye toward maintenance, the first thing of note is that a few tools are required to change out the air filter, as it uses screws instead of pop clips to open the box. The oil filler cap, on the other hand, is right up front and on top of the engine. The oil filter is accessible from below. To the passenger side on top of the engine, you will find the oil dipstick, and further behind it on the driver's side firewall is the brake fluid reservoir. On the opposite side of the firewall is the main reservoir for the engine coolant. Just aside that, with a hard-to-see black cap, is the windshield washer fluid. The 12-volt battery is located in the trunk space underneath the floor liner at the driver's side. In the engine bay, however, you will find a jumping post clearly marked. Next to it is the main consumer-grade fuse panel with an included fuse removal tool you'll need when changing them out. The engine compartment itself is laid out with a reasonably good space to work. Noted are its more expensive and exotically constructed cast shock towers and cross bracing for a tighter and lighter chassis overall. Alright my friends, there you have it for the Underhood Tour of the Cadillac CT4 with a 2.7 liter turbo. Now I have test driven this engine also in the Chevrolet Silverado. In both vehicles I was pretty impressed, and to that you can see our test drive of the Cadillac CT4 right there, and better yet, subscribe to TDTV Garage if you like these technical things. Then we'll keep you informed of everything we do.